Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the pinnacle of vacuum robot cleaners, the NARWAL Freo X Ultra. If you're on the hunt for the best, look no further. Let's get into it. The NARWAL Freo X Ultra isn't just any robot vacuum and mop combo, it's a game changer. With its exceptional power and minimal maintenance, it's revolutionizing the way we clean our homes. But what sets it apart from the competition? Let's break it down. First up, suction power. With an impressive 8,200 Pascal suction, the Freo X Ultra leaves no surface untouched. Say goodbye to chips, fur, cereal, and dust. This robot tackles it all with ease. And let's talk about the Zero Tangling Brush, a true innovation. Thanks to its unique design, hair and pet fur are a thing of the past. No more tangled messes, just spotless floors, every time. But the Freo X Ultra doesn't stop there. Its patented Rouleau robot mop heads ensure a thorough clean, leaving your floors shining like never before. Plus, with AI Dirt Sense technology, it knows when to keep scrubbing until your floors are squeaky clean. And here's where things get impressive, the maintenance-free docking station. It's a hands-free maintenance center that washes, dries, and refills the mops with detergent and water automatically. Talk about convenience. But wait, there's more. With tri-laser obstacle avoidance and industry-leading mapping technology, the Freo X Ultra navigates your home with precision. No more getting stuck on small objects. This robot knows how to get the job done. So there you have it, folks, the NARWAL Freo X Ultra. With its exceptional power, minimal maintenance, and cutting-edge features, it's truly the best vacuum robot cleaner on the market. Don't settle for anything less. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more product reviews and updates. Until next time, happy cleaning!